Check for a leak by observing and testing the toilet for movement, visible water damage, and hidden slow seepage. Start by testing for wobble or movement. Gently push the tank and bowl side to side and front to back, and note any motion at the base or where the tank meets the bowl. If you feel movement, tighten the closet bolts incrementally using a wrench and avoid over-tightening, which can crack porcelain. Next, inspect visually for stains, soft flooring, or swelling around the toilet base and on the ceiling below if there is a lower level beneath the bathroom. Discoloration, peeling paint, or a musty odor often precede obvious water damage. Use a food coloring test by placing a few drops of food coloring in the tank and waiting 30 minutes without flushing. If colored water appears in the bowl, the flapper or flush valve is leaking and needs replacement. Periodically, check the tightness of the tank to bowl bolts and the supply line connection by feeling for moisture and using a dry paper towel around fittings after a flush to detect slow drips. If you detect movement after tightening, remove the toilet, inspect, and replace the wax ring with a new one rated for your flange height and ensure the flange is level and secure. 3 common mistakes are ignoring subtle movement, assuming no visible puddles means there is no leak, and over-tightening bolts. People often dismiss a slight wobble as cosmetic when it indicates a failing seal, so address movement promptly by tightening bolts and, if it persists, removing the fixture to replace the wax ring. Homeowners assume that absence of obvious puddles equals no leak, but slow leaks show as stains, soft subfloor, or ceiling discoloration below. Inspect those areas regularly and use the food coloring test to catch slow internal leaks. Finally, many try to eliminate wobble by crank tightening bolts, which can crack porcelain and make leaks worse. So tighten gradually, use washers to distribute pressure, and if cracks appear, replace the toilet. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors, and to help contractors find work by linking project needs with available service providers. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and our users share experience, troubleshooting tips, and recommendations for repair steps and products.